sign Emma Papa the Badwam TV bedroom and when it goes to our channel a brave do some day I can see my same name now what a Friday a sectorial debate Adom TV and the Bremo we shine our yes sectorial debate we shine now the abroad yeah share education this Friday yeah share education na BBBA koso sectorial debate yeah share education na BBBA koso yeah share say education akosi say koso na yeah nkola no madisuamu from free SHS ebepem free food BBBA wo education no yeah the ebro na watri Friday yes na BBBA koso intempa so yeah chance yemfi abona no yeah hwe nsema koso enumre about 7 p.m. the Europa Super Cup eba so yeah Real Madrid and Atlanta obeka Real Madrid and the Champions League South Atlanta omonomji Super Cup and I say Europa League no issue on stress so enumre 7 p.m. sharp the Super Cup na so yeah hwe wan and 80 breakers obetimi ahye no kwamaga and amaga share any hu amaga ho sa intin head coach edema Real Madrid Carlo Ancelotti they atoja say samachi any Real Madrid players no mutrimu omde nemu so mo bon ho ne se bia ometimi age trophy no Kylian Mbappe yegidi Real Madrid fans we dey mobehu the skirmishes kakra ewo agropama so na Atlanta winger Ademola Lookman and so they atoja say Real Madrid omkoshi omo no anya so megugo mo ama Real Madrid their formers omo so mani abre so me Real Madrid also unyiska go bottom nti na no pay cameramen ne sound name directors obia ekobet power na no pay nti na also unyiska go bottom na BBBA fine yemfia mo no ne ndan ne fanchiro oman Ghana ne hwe nsema ekoso ewo oman Ghana Franka Tuni enema NDC osan eso ye ex-president na say president John Dramani Mahama ex-president John Dramani Mahama and so Edin Sembibri etudwa say oman Ghana hanom no national teams na enkanka the Blasters no was say ye nyama bebre say bia oman Ghana me so ye national teams na betimi afa to man pay fra say bia ye competitions a bibia ebekoso amayen.
A lot of money goes into football, but we always get heartbreaks with football. The last time we won any major trophy was in 1981 in Libya. Since then, we've had a trophy drought in football. But football is national sports and everybody, but we must organize it in such a way that we are able to get something. And so we must bring back the inter-schools football, we must bring back the Milo championships, we must bring back the academicals, we must bring back the coaches and all that, so that we can pick the talents. And when we pick the talents, the thing about the Ghana team is we have individual talents, but they don't have enough playing time together. And so we must be prepared to make sure that we camp them outside where their colleagues on break can come and join them. They play together for some time. When they're on break, we bring their colleagues from outside to come and play with them so that they understand each other. They understand each other's game. And once we put them together, they will be a team. Right now, they are not playing as a team. They are playing as individuals. And so if some opportunity comes, pam, they score, then we are happy. But it won't take us far unless we do it in a more organic fashion.
Yeah, any adventure the CAF Champions League. Na me Adom kwesiada Samates eno mujina oman Ghana anemo amone Victoria United omufi Cameroon and the first leg no eja so Samates etu kwan akọ Cameroon first leg entino bibi abekoso na Ghana Football Association President Kurt E.S. Okraku de in Cranchesem ama Samates so osaka chom so munsua de emfi Dreams FC match na sen a omodi kogu ye no Dreams FC any media ma sabi omoso omko a ometimi ati oman Ghana enim
come into the top flight and to be a champion not long after is no mean an achievement. And it's something that each one of you must be proud of. You achieved that because you stayed together as a team, you worked together as a team, and you fought for the trophy as a team. That's the essence of teamwork. Football is a team sport. It's not about one individual person. Otherwise, the coach will say, 10 players stand by the touchline, one player go on the pitch, play against the opponent, and see whether you will win. You cannot win. You need the support of everybody. If you turn up to the training grounds and the training pitch is not prepared, you cannot play, you cannot train. If you turn up to the dressing room and the kids manager has forgotten all your uniforms, you cannot go back on the pitch and play.
The second leg, ebe PM ewa Accra Sports Stadium 20 feet. Nti na watching me no so pepepe no. Na second leg ebe PM ewa Ghana. Nti na bompa so we di omoko Cameroon anye ye kra no mo train draw bi di ba. Na second leg no mo be kum di na so mo timi qualify to the next stage of the competition. That's so ewa Ghana and sense mo di na ni and fanche the Black Princesses of Ghana omo eno mo di Ghana na emu ewa Colombia under 20 mbano World Cup. Nti no ama na pepepe no mo dan no mani fi Ghana adani woni adache Colombia na de so mo de ho sesie kase ho hia so mo de besesie so na bibia akoso amanti Sergio Manucho ekopie mo airport na we e no de brɛ
esensa kense ne hyase abusum awie ne nti entempa so etrene a ne din ade Yusuf Basigi one ne maya no ese de omonam wiemu hyemu a wo mo kopie Colombia hinkro Bogota mu emu ha ye dine pa onim se Ghana ma mo ni mu vihia diunu no me kire Black Princesses abrebiamu so mo de mani kwekire World Cup na se a eya dene so me call manim and they Yusuf Basigi awiata so sa ho sesi o mo de pem so o Cape Coast enfifiri mantemu no emu odene ndi sabre o mo kopie Colombia no o mo nkotena se ana so o mo nkonkoda o mo ni aman bi a o mo so kosi aka World Cup no mu no ekobo matches akakra ansa na kensie na nkasa abrewa yipuma kwan mu na hyase FIFA na 20 Women's World Cup no ama hodo ni nyina awiata so obaji kruwa ya akofie ndi ye hwe ne mu so Ghana maya mu ni mu vihia dionu no akensi omukomu no omomfo omonsapan emafie
ye bompa ese bibia bekoso ama the Black Princesses of Ghana ye na eni fanche wafu bi CAF Women's Champions League Hazakes Ladies energy on my Ghana ne mene omo second game omo di tudwa omo ne Edo Queens of Nigeria sa match we mu be yiri papa was said that Hazakes Ladies omo timi tribodua efu no omo timi win game we am assistant coach at the Hazakes Ladies Emmanuel Kwesi Mensa dey tudwa say match we do or die.
It's when the competition fever no everyone and from camp when I can so Asha said or so in Timotuma Kade ya first game ya mistakes be ya correct in Timovi name there Motibiano against Nigeria yebo quality performance
injuries be camp now.
Yeah, first game no there were some few knocks yeah players kakra but your physio wash one Makade for now or a fit or to na wabo by cross to the Yemen and Berkakra into so far no never get a Pfizer and on Shadanya
match no at Basel 5 p.m. into no na Washington so Ghana Premier League enche Bosumi room to the from the 6th to the 9th of September and our first match no and as the first match is in na ebetimi atutudwa na Kumasi Asante Kotoko dani weni ediche Kumasi omo and omo teso te kokoso na nanom omo edi nyama bi ahihia so na se nya fidi agro enra versatile player edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Justice Nkunkuble or they atudwa say season ebe start say na players no mania brea omo ebo ho mode so bibia bekoso no supporters no mo hwe nim say bibia ebe ye fine.
My boy, actually, so minim like how Messi Eden, a bomb ball. Now, so the best, no Ghana Premier League defenders in me the best, but if you are Muna Munyeden, to me, no.
As a defending midfielder,
yes, me, I'm still the best. Training now, you know, technically like a good. Obia Nenia Bresse. I feel this is, you know, you meet me then. I buy a home wedding, sure. So I think say on Monday and Friday, say meet me then. For sure, training and they meet me according Queen never.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko preseason no. Amo ewie nyame ayadoma Friday. Omo come media ma normal ko bi TNA park na no. Into mu wie pe omo sign down ni ada check Cape Coast. No mo the preseason akoto aso ntin bibia na ebeto dwane ye de ebebrom ye call the man Patrick Osei Ajiman, countryman Songo, the man himself, Patrick Osei Ajiman. Songo, what do you mean? Mema wache.
Me too. And I hope so. Tape was to me.
Fantastic.
Okay, fantastic.
Fantastic.
Me take here on your sponsor air conform. Ghana sports are echo from ebini former president Muhammad no Kanfa Blasters me take any senior sports echo from na ni nyina agina ye president a womu eyi ye sports minister any ye sports ministry echo from womu ni sports ministers papa and sports minister papa obi a we expect very professional with him about sports ministry. Number making sure that the various sporting disciplines in Inano associations, a year juma. Yes, sports in the coffin. And your blasters in Uncoa. Yes, sports in Ankasane, the coffin. T said, you're paying for peso or more a president. And I say, the various a parties now or more a place, umbidin couldn't. No more a boo or my Ghana. No. Your president for no. And our parties no more to me, the 18 kunim. Send your bay a chance, bebo move boo or my Ghana. No. A young moon in the crema, the woman see or more appointed sports ministry. Any errand boy be an answer, be a party member, be a wooden qualification, be our sports move, any be our sports move, be a near any sports minister. I know I mean your chance, you know. A movement, Alan. You understand, Chair Martin? Emma, one also senior sports, grassroots infrastructure, and woman bit my day. Akuyi Diame sports. Omunina who say sports in yet, including Shedda, any a year Baumi, and I mean him said, Omunina who say sports no cough of not a woman to mean can say your sports not a cough and yet now, Womo as a government and I say be parties, you know. Your mom depends on your president or mine or minor or mine good sports ministers and paying for this sports ministry naming Amma and normal fast sports when I see a sports no at me up yes sports are say and your blasters and go blasters yet the sports seeking in alcohol. The BI acquire so the BI woman the outrageous budget echo Emma yen paying for because Obia Benyan Nechefa has PS money. No woman near Gusu to send your team near for qualified by a Beko tournament piano. Now when the fundamentals are weak, now I expose 3 matches na blasters are under 20 team qualified a memorable under 17 near J World Cup it may qualify a memorable a boy, a coffin. I mean, Oba a year under 23, 20 years Olympic Games in team qualified. Blasters, and former President Kayano. The last time a G AFCON. Now you come more than 40 years in teaming African Cup AFCON. The whole Africa, your football, Ghana top 10, you encounter African countries who ball. Top 10 countries in count. All the football before I'm able you look at football, I basa. You look at football, I basa, and no bit may talent, no grassroots, no a bit may talent, no. And this is why basa no more do business, it is keke. And no more do many national teams, no, actually because of the taxpayers' money. And a association, football association, also think a sports ministry. Sports minister and a pound 40 me a touch homo. It making sure say they are doing things right. But sports ministry need a weak sports minister no on your expert on your professional Nimejuma as sports minister, your family party member of Votuma and also ye did my and ye didn't babisi was on your sports minister. And you can Ghana sports. Oba we football in here. Bra athletics just ended a Olympics. Medal ba ko kura yen sanka eso yaji Olympic medal da means no kura na yaji Olympic medal da aden ye ko yenim yentimi Olympic medal nempo ye beji Olympic medals because yen free sportsmen and women grassroots and then na ala and American movement chamati work what no grassroots obe make sure say you bit men your funding and yet the taxpayers money sikan ye be fund no and make a change say that they are working in a fantastic, but personnel no, nipa no be di no. and perform the sports ministry or no obey sports minister. So when him dear no, and no bit me ama some vision when you know what the person we are president. A bit my day, a daddy, a bem. So we are president of Ghana, ya to Obama. Now first sports minister. Now we did so a deal say, sports and be peja. Yes, sports minister, onima jumano, or your professional. He's on the ground. Onim how say within the book, blue book or green book, whatever book, sports no, how to get the funding, how to raise sponsorship, how to make sure say, start a grassroots infrastructure. Ningina nyese book keke nyese kata keto ye juma. When you could have good sports ministry, ni sports minister papa, obian tete association fun bia keke mfa sports program. Because if you move tete associations we at the year sports say Ghana can Ghana sports fine. No sports mo mudi yo business sikumbinya omo ho ombinya omudi nkofo bitu to kwai sa no man nyina. And now my Ghana sports a call for my say gra. It me take in say see to about Ghana ha. Ye baba to abay. Sa 2024 ye be to abay. Yen to abama president party ye gidi say. Well things so share manifesto and I say nin some work can obetimi ayo nya so work keke. Ebebem e fire sports I say mbetimi sports na asa peja. A sports ministry, proper one, sports minister or a professional on the grounds. I will name ma obet me Badwam sports na pija sports minister or the blasters a 13 billion old Ghana cedis each. And the management members are more. And yes, sports minister come blasters sticker no the football tournament or a taxpayers money blasters can a taxpayers money or money seeker. On Kansicano or spending we are back. Now to the figure and a play. Yen to about phones are. What I say because your sports ministry in any sports a good in a battle because you need personnel sports minister or a professional papa sports minister or grounds will know how to change. Help the system say your sports be peja. Nenka your athletics your football na Ghana jina see you call Olympics medal ba ko kula yen sanka meaning say your sports ministry need sporting associations in England a bad or more form or matete associations no more but they are only just making money selfish interest. Sure. And the sports minister no nya bi wom anything no listen to me kan wasem because onim meduma. Sure. More fire. 1 p.m. Yen to us for fire for fire. More fire. Yes, 1 p.m. I don't tell you yen to us for fire for fire. Ayoja. Yes, the man himself, Patrick Osei Ajiman, countryman Songo, and I'm thinking a Songo steak. Watching Adrian, also out a few, and also Ocean Bibiano, also no, I say Alan Chamatin, Alan K. Chamatin, Afranto. Yes, one shot, I say, Ibiana so bar, Canibia, Ibiana, say Mose Songo, a sports minister, a man in your woman, and the man himself, Patrick Osei Ajiman. Countryman Songo. Until Friday, our digital center, Circle. Oh, dear, baby, I'll do Circle, also share digital center. The sectoral debate. Sectoral debate. That's why you share education. You share human science. Say, baby, I because so at the amount of my bed power and on my summer sense and no pay. Me for I can see and some now no Saturday. You call be pong. Bepon Eric Esiedu Boy the name me either from you could jam no multimedia will be bia assessing home Sandy be a guy or the squad bear 404 and ever then say bibia be koso niti no Eric Esiedu Boy the mame ye no Eric mouth shedding say bibia be koso e the amount sectoral debate share if you da ya our digital center Accra digital center our circle anya yira kwan kra odani we need to na bibia akoso my ha and the brother mo ho kwan na me de akokensem no ensem ni simidin Edinyameba Bernard Padibutri.